Hi, my name's Tom. If you ever wish you had a perfect memory or you had a secretary with you to go ahead and automatically transcribe everything and give you transcripts of all the hours of meetings you've been to, I got good news for you. This thing replaces all of that. This is the WaveNote AI transcriber, recorder, whatever you want to call it. This thing does a ton of different little functions in a very, very small package. I've been using this for about a week now. I wanted to kind of give it a shot, really see how it works. I was sent this to go ahead and tell you all about it. And I have to admit, this is not something I would normally have picked up on my own, but now that I have it, I love it. I've recommended it to 3 different people so far. It is a voice recorder. So the first thing is a digital recorder, but it's super small and thin. I want you to see this. Here's a regular old credit card, like a membership card. This is exactly the same size as that. It does fit in the wallet. There you go. Same width, same length, width, and it is about as thick as 2 credit cards. So this can fit in the wallet. You want to be careful about bending it. It does feel like it's metal on the outside. It does have a little charging port over here. You actually charge that with a USB cord that provides a little magnetic that sticks to it and it charges up. Uh, it's really straightforward. This thing just records everything it hears. So you turn it on for a meeting. Maybe you have some people in your office and you're having a meeting. You can just turn this on. You can leave it on the desk. You can leave it wherever you want. It will record everything. After it records it, it will send it to an app on your phone. So to download, it's a free app. You download this app, it sends it to the app. The app then uses AI to go ahead and give you a transcript, a summary, a mind map, whatever you want. You can actually pick different templates like, hey, this is a meeting. No, this is actually some sort of another business proposition. It'll kind of pick what you can pick what you want, or you can tell it to automatically summarize. It is truly amazing some of the things that you can do with this. Operation is super simple. There's only 2 buttons on it. Right now, this little lever is down. That means it's going to be recording sounds from outside and around. It has little microphones right there, like I said. And if you flick it up, you'll see a little orange light. That means it's going to record stuff from your phone. So that means that if you're on a phone call or even on a Zoom call, it will actually record the audio from your phone, store it on here, and then when you turn the recording off, it'll go ahead and save that transcript. So that's nice. It'll record both live around you and phone as well. And then this little flat button right here, you just press and hold that for a moment to actually turn it on. A little LED light will come on. You can go ahead and do your meeting. You can have your conference, whatever you want. You can put it down. You can record an entire 2 or 3 hours worth of class work. Have a professor. That's fine. Press it again. It'll kind of double buzz. That means it turned off. And then this will then transfer all of that audio to your phone. Your phone will then go ahead and use AI. You can tell it to go ahead and generate a transcript or to summarize it, mind map it, whatever you want. It really is pretty clever. It only takes a minute or two to do all of that work. Part of that just AI in general, and a lot of it is just the amazingly small electronics in here that are capturing all that audio. Something else that's kind of cool about this, it does communicate with Bluetooth. You can also go ahead and kind of have it work as a little hotspot with your phone, and it'll send all that audio very quickly. So that's kind of nice. What I really like about this is the audio quality. So I was in a conference room the other day, big room, probably about 50 feet in one direction and the other. There was a speaker at the very front of the room. I was in the back. He was using a microphone. You could hear it throughout the whole room, but I was in the back of the room, kind of almost out the doorway, and it was actually a little bit hard to hear. So I had this, and what I did was I just turned it on, and I just kind of sat there like this and listened. And then I went back and said, okay, let's see how this really worked. I wasn't sure. I wasn't catching a lot of it. This transcript was like 98% perfect. I mean, it was really very nice. It caught all the audio, it cleaned all the audio up, it kind of automatically went through all the little fuzzing and movement of the room, and it gave me just a transcript of the audio, or just a transcript of what was actually being said. It summarized it very nicely in a matter of minutes. So no more me sitting there taking notes, no more trying to scribble down and forget stuff. I don't have to worry about that. I just go ahead, put this right there on the table, let it record. When I'm done, I pick it up, turn it off, walk with me. I have all that meeting, all that information, everything that I talked about is all right there on my phone, saved on here as an audio. You can go ahead and play back the audio, by the way. It does save the audio files. You can play them back, but I've been just looking at the transcripts. And then once you get those transcripts or the summaries on your phone, you can go ahead and send them to people. You can send a PDF, I think a Word document, CSV, something. You can send a couple different document types out as well. So once I get it on my phone, I can go ahead and mail it to myself at work, and then I have a PDF on my PC, and then I can share it with anybody I want. This thing is just super, super useful, small, very, very cool. The one thing you got to watch for is it's so small. I've actually misplaced it a couple times. One time it was actually caught up in my wallet, like I had it kind of stuck in there. I didn't even realize it. Another time I had it in one of my pocket, in one of my jacket pockets, and I was like patting it down. It was so small I didn't even feel it. So it does come with a couple of things. It comes with the charging cord, like I mentioned. It does come with a little case as well for you attach to your phone, and then you can go ahead and charge your phone through it and everything. But you can actually go ahead and attach this to your phone as well. It comes in. This is the standard kind of the dark gray color. There's also a rose gold color now. This is definitely well worth it. It's a great gift for anybody who goes a lot of as a students, for the workers, anybody who goes a lot of meetings, anybody who needs save a lot of information, kind of talk to a lot of people. This is very, very, very helpful. And again, the app is free. It's a really, really well designed app. I didn't read any instructions for the app, just kind of clicked around and went. It was really, very nice. This is one heck of a cool little voice recorder. I wish I had this when I was a student years ago, but here we are. It's really very nice. I have recommended it more than once to people. It's clever, it's well designed, it's small, it's super small, and it just works really, really well. So this is the WaveNote AI voice recorder, transcriber, whatever you want to call it. It really is very, very cool. It's well done. I'm very, very impressed, and it is highly recommended.